친구들 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share to you this delicious and easy recipe for Kabayan muffins. So let's bake with me. Here are the ingredients that we're going to need, and for the measurement of the ingredients, please refer to the next slide. Also, note that the sugar in this recipe can be adjusted depending on the level of sweetness that you like for your muffins. Before we start with our muffin batter, first, let's prepare our cupcake pan by greasing each cups with shortening or butter. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Now, using one bowl, we're going to start adding our wet ingredients first. Now you're going to add your egg first and then beat it, and followed by the sugar. Here I'm using 3/4 cups of sugar, but if you want to have a sweeter muffins, you can add more. After mixing the egg and sugar, you're going to add the other wet ingredients from water, oil, vanilla extracts, and the food coloring. On adding the food coloring, make sure to add it gradually until you get your desired color for your muffins. After adding all the wet ingredients, mix them all until the sugar are all dissolved before adding the dry ingredients. Now let's add all our dry ingredients, and using a sifter, I'm going to sift all these dry ingredients as I add them to the wet ingredients. Here I'm adding the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. When you have all your dry and wet ingredients in a bowl, all you need to do is to mix them until you get a smooth batter. Your batter should look like this. Now we have our greased cupcake pan and also our butter. Here I'm going to use an ice cream scoop, but you can also use a spoon. Just make sure to have an almost even amount of butter in each cups. After we have all our butter in the cupcake pan, we are going to bake it for 3 to 4 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius plus 15 to 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. After baking, you're going to test your muffin and then cool it on a cooling rack. And now we have our soft and delicious Kabayan muffins. Enjoy!